जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 24th श्लोक. श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा along with Arjuna teaching to each and every one of us. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, so far what I said, that no weapon can kill you, no fire can burn you, and no water can wet you, and no air can dry you." So I said, from the view of those weapons and those objects. But now let me tell you about yourself from your view. What it is, "Oh Arjuna, you means Atma, because you are very, very sukshmam, tiny, because you are eternal, because your shape is always same, there is no change, because you have no beginning. Because of all these qualities, attributes that you have, you cannot be killed by any weapon. You cannot be burnt by fire. You cannot be wet by water. You cannot be dried by any wind. You don't have that kind of quality to be affected by anything in this entire creation. Such is your quality. This is what Krishna Paramatma disclosing the fact about ourselves. While having this Upadesham running in our mind, let us repeat the same words spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Achedyoyam adakyoyam akledyo asosyayevacha nityaha सर्वगतः स्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः. Om. In our day-to-day life, we are affected by so many things and so many people. We are influenced by so many things and so many people. So many things and so many people can leave their impact on us. So whenever we are getting this kind of effects and influences and impacts in this world, we should immediately remember that as an Atma, myself cannot be influenced, cannot be affected, cannot be impacted by anything in this entire creation. This is what we should remember. That is what becomes our Atma Dhyanam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do these following 8 main works. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, manmana bhava, become my devotee, madbhakto bhava, do all your activities as my service, madhyaji. Do namaskaram to me thinking that you are my belonging, mam namaskuru. Surrender to me alone unconditionally, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. And keep on spreading my Upadesam Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing all these activities, you will become my most beloved devotee. Then I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall be thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall dedicate all my actions to you and keep doing all my activities as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do namaskaram to you thinking that I am your belonging. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam. Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vidura has gone to his brother Dhritarashtra and trying to teach some important things to Dhritarashtra, trying to do some favor to Dhritarashtra, saying that, O Raja, O Dhritarashtra, thinking to live at any cost on this earth is very, very strong. That kind of desire is very strong desire to each and every entity on this earth. But now, if I look at you, O Dhritarashtra, you are leading your life gruhapalavat, as and how a dog lives in the house. When those householders are feeding dog, with that faith, that dog lives in that house, taking care of the households and guarding the house. Just like that, you are also living your life here like this. This is not your home. Here, this home belongs to Bhima, Arjuna, Dharmaja, Nakula, Sahadeva. You know what? Bhima is the one who killed all of your sons. Now, Bhima pavarjitam pindamadatte. Now, whatever the food is given to you by Bhima, you are eating and enjoying here. You are living like that. O Dhritarashtra, when I look at you, what you have done in the past, you tried to kill Pandavas by putting a fire to their house, Agnihi Nisrushtaha. You tried to kill Pandavas by giving poisonous food, Dattaschagaro. You tried to destroy Pandavas by insulting their wife Draupadi, Darascha Dushitaha. And you have grabbed their place, their kingdom, their wealth, their everything. Khrutam, Kshetram, Dhanam, everything you grabbed. Now, after doing this many cheatings and this many wrong things to Pandavas, now you are living in their house while taking the food whatever is given to you by them. This is such a disgusting life, Dhritarashtra, you are leading. I understand. Some people wanted to live even a disgusted life just to lead their life. They have nothing to worry. They don't worry about anything. But even if you want to live like that, a very, very low life here, but how long you are going to live like this? Gatasvardham imam deham virakto mukta bandhanaha. Very soon your body, just like torn out cloth, all the pieces will go away from that cloth, right? So also your body will be torn out and your body also will be completely destroyed. You cannot save this body forever. Even if you want to lead such a disgusting life, your body won't support you for long. Soon that is going to be destroyed. O Dhritarashtra, that is why I am telling you, before even your body gets destroyed completely, you get away from this house. You give away all this, you give up all these relations and everything. Only then you become very strong. Only then you will be able to think about yourself. O Dhritarashtra, usually people should think about themselves. They should have some knowledge. Even if they don't have, at least they should listen to some people when they are teaching good things. Then you have to listen. When you get to listen to others, you will get some knowledge, you will get some wisdom. With that, you have to try to conquer your indriyas. You have to gain self-control. Slowly, with elderly upadesam, with self-control, slowly your attention will go towards Paramatma. Then you will start realizing Hrudi Krutva Harim. You will start realizing Paramatma Sriman Narayana in your heart. While meditating upon Paramatma like that, you have to be leading your life. That is why Dhritarashtra, come on, get up now. Adha Udichim Disamyatu. Go towards northern side. Come on, start walking towards northern side. Don't tell anyone. Come on, leave the house now. Like that, Vidura encouraging Dhritarashtra to make the best use of rest of his life. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 2nd chapter 24th श्लोक। अच्छेद्योऽयम् अदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो अशोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतः स्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।